Hi! So as you know, we're at home because of the coronavirus. Today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry muffins, which are an incredible activity to do when you're bored at home. Let's get started. You will need a pinch of salt, milk, baking soda, 200 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, raspberries, almonds, baking powder, vanilla sugar, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Into a bowl, add your flour, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 vanilla sugar, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and sugar. Mix well. Into a separate bowl, pour milk, melted butter, and crack 2 eggs. Mix your dry and wet ingredients together. Mix in some raspberries. Scoop your mixture into a lined muffin baking tray. Sprinkle with sliced almonds. Heat up your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and put in your muffins. Bake for 20 minutes. Enjoy! Lastly, stay at home. Bye!